method allows most of the fast orphans. Once she pioneered this formula, most orphans have survived and gone back into the wild. And that's why it is believed to be close to real mother's milk. We feed them on intervals of 3 hours day and night. And one elephant takes about 24 liters of milk in a day.
Wow.
We add some minerals, some vitamins, and some coal in the milk as well.
Der kriegt schon Zähne.
Ja.
Das ist ein großer.
Okay, it is elephant time now. We can talk about the 27 elephants that I've mentioned that we've got in the nursery, but they're coming down in 2 groups. This is the first group of 12 elephants. After some time, all the 12 will walk away so that we can get